Good food, good health. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Okay? And Dr. Aparna talked to them and find out more about them. Read what doctor found. You can see here Rashmi. Okay, you can see this is Rashmi, a very thin girl. Yeah, and Kailash, nice and plumpy boy. Yeah, let's study one by one. We'll study first Rashmi. Rashmi, who is 5 years old, she look she looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs, and a pot belly. Means a belly is like a balloon. Okay, she often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have enough strength to even play. Food. She's lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. So she is malnourished or undernourished because she is not getting enough food to eat. That is why her appearance is like this. Okay, children. Now on the other hand, look at this boy Kailash. He looks older than his age. She looks younger to her age and he is looking older than his age. Because his body is fat and flabby. Yeah. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. So he is very inactive boy. He just sits and watch TV. Okay. He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal and rice and vegetable roti. What he likes the only thing he finds tasty are chips, burger, pizzas and soft drinks from the market. Okay, children. So what is happening here in both the cases? Here, this little girl, Rashmi, did not get food. She is not getting enough food to eat. That is why she is malnutrition. He is eating extra food, and that too which is not required. He is eating only junk food, fatty food. So he is obese. Okay, obesity. He is suffering from obesity. Both are called malnourished. Okay, both are called malnourished because he is also not getting the proper nourishment whatever is required by the body, and the Rashmi is also not getting the proper nourishment. Okay, so Dr. Aparna measured the height and weight of both the children, and then she told them there is only one treatment for both the problems. What is the treatment? Proper food. Once you will start eating proper food, your body will come to normal. Okay, and it will start growing normally. Right? So eating proper food is a must. Okay. So why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in a whole day? Because she must be very, very poor. Do you think Kailash would like games and sports? No, he likes to sit and watch TV. There was no activity. That is why he was getting plumpy. What do you understand the proper food means? The food which has all the nutrients. Means you should eat the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, everything. Just Indian thali is a complete food, children, right? It has carbohydrates. Our body needs lot of carbohydrates, so we eat lot of rice and chapati. The amount of dal is always less than chapati and rice. Yeah, amount of dal is always less than rice because we need little less amount of protein than carbohydrate. And what does the protein do? Protein, it helps to build the muscles. Yeah, and then vitamins in the form of vegetables, right, and sprouts in the form of roughage and all. So vitamins is needed for you so that you can protect yourself from the diseases, right? So salad you are eating in the form of roughage, yeah. So we eat, and fruits we eat, so for the minerals and all, water we drink, right? So our Indian thali is a complete food, so you should always eat everything, right, in correct quantity, not only chips and burger and all. It will give you only carbohydrates. Of course it gives you energy, but it gives you lots of fat along with that. Okay, so be careful what you are eating.